Creating your own WordPress theme involves a few essential steps. Here's a basic guide to get you started. Set up a development environment. Install a local server like XAMPP or MAMP to run WordPress on your computer. Download and install WordPress. Create a theme folder. Go to the WP Content Themes directory in your WordPress installation and create a new folder for your theme. Name it something unique. Create essential files. At a minimum, your theme needs style.css, the main CSS file that defines your theme style. Include a comment at the top with theme details. Index.php, the main template file where your content will be displayed. Functions.php, a PHP file to enqueue styles and scripts and add theme support features like menus and widgets. Design the theme. Install.css, add your CSS styles for the layout and design. Use HTML and PHP in index.php to structure how your content will be displayed. Add WordPress template tags. Use WordPress functions like getHeader, getFooter, and the content to integrate dynamic content from your WordPress site. Test and activate. Once you've designed your theme, go to the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Themes, and activate your new theme.